This morning in Justice Griffith Court, the matter of Eldon Arzu and the Commissioner of Police convened for the judge to be able to decide whether or not there is grounds for judicial review. And the counsel for the applicant had also filed applications for injunctions. One, he sought an injunction against the commissioner from transferring him. And two, he also sought a mandatory injunction for the court to order that the commissioner pay him his salary. As you would know, that his salary has been stopped due to the fact that he had failed to report for work. The judge heard arguments from both sides, and at the conclusion of that, the judge made an order that there is an issue to be tried, and so leave was granted for judicial review, and that matter is expected to commence on the 22nd and 23rd of July of this year. In respect to the applications filed by the applicant for the injunctions, the court rejected those applications and said to the applicant that the applicant must report for work. She also pointed out to them that while the police department is a public service entity, that the standard of discipline in the police department or the military is different than the ordinary public service. And so once a lawful command is given, then officers or members are expected to comply with the lawful instructions. And if it is that they believe that the instructions are not in their best interest, then they can comply and then take the agreed matter before the court for the court to be able to determine whether or not there was reasonableness in the actions of in this case, the commissioner. And so the judge told him that he needs to report for work. So we are anticipating that Mr. Arzu is going to report for duty tomorrow or maybe today, concerning the fact that he has been absent for over a month. And once he reports for duty, then his salary will be activated. As I have said before, as a commissioner of police, I have a responsibility to ensure that the budgetary allocation for the police department, which includes emolument, is spent in compliance with the financial and stores order, and we cannot be paying for services that is not being rendered.